Hello friends, and welcome to Cooking with Rod's Soup Collection. Every Monday from now until the Sky Garden begins in May, I will be posting a new soup recipe. All the ingredient amounts and instructions on how to make it will be down in the description below. If you make this recipe, please let us know how it went. And here we go. This chicken pot pie soup delivers everything you love about classic chicken pot pie. Tender chicken, hearty vegetables, and a rich creamy broth without turning on the oven. It's a cozy one-pot comfort food recipe that's perfect for weeknights, meal prep, or chilly days. Serve it with biscuits, crusty bread, or oyster crackers for the full pot pie experience in soup form. Okay, we're going to heat the butter and the olive oil in a large stainless steel pot over medium heat until melted and shimmering. We're going to add in the chicken and lightly season it with salt and pepper. We're going to cook that for 4 to 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until just cooked through. Then we're going to remove that to a bowl and set that aside until needed. Then in the same pot, we're going to add the onions, carrots, and celery. Cook that for 5 to 6 minutes until softened but not browned. Then we're going to add in the garlic and cook for 30 seconds until it's fragrant. We're going to sprinkle our flour evenly over the vegetables. Stir constantly and cook for 1 to 2 minutes to remove the raw flour taste. We're going to slowly pour in our chicken broth while stirring to prevent lumps. Bring it to a gentle simmer and cook for 3 to 4 minutes until slightly thickened. Stir in the milk and heavy cream. Add the thyme, rosemary, and poultry seasonings. Simmer for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Add that chicken back to the pot. Then add the peas and the corn and simmer for 5 to 7 minutes until everything is tender and the soup is creamy. We're going to taste and adjust the salt and pepper as needed. The soup should be thick but spoonable. Now we can store that in the refrigerator in an airtight container for up to 4 days. We can put that in the freezer for up to 3 months and thaw that overnight and reheat it gently on the stovetop. When reheating, add a splash of milk or broth if the soup thickens up too much. So there you have it, chicken pot pie soup. If you use chicken thighs instead of breasts, it gives it extra richness. For extra thickness, simmer uncovered a few extra minutes. Want a biscuit topping? Serve with warm drop biscuits on the side. This soup thickens as it cools. It's perfect for leftovers. So there you go, and enjoy. Thanks for watching. If you like my content, I'll put a couple of videos here that you can click on to watch. And don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share with your friends. We'll see you next time.